sun is going down, painting the sky gold. I'm reading your messages from days old. You say you're busy, everything's fine, but I hear the space between the lines. We talk like friends, keep it light and safe. Laugh at the same jokes we met yesterday, but every good night leaves me wanting more. Like there's a door we're both standing before. Oh baby, I feel it in the quiet moments, when the words run out and the heart starts talking. I know you're scared, I've been there too, but something beautiful is breaking through. I'm reading between the lines, seeing what your eyes are trying to hide. Between the lines, I see you and me, dancing in the silence, finally free. Love doesn't need to shout to be heard, it can whisper softly like a summer bird. Between the lines, baby, can't you see? You're already writing your heart on me, yeah. I see you, late night drives with the radio low. Your favorite song comes on and we both know you sing along, but look the other way, like the lyrics hit a little too close today. I don't wanna push, don't wanna break the spell, but holding back is like living in hell. One honest moment is all it takes to turn these almost into yesterdays. Oh baby, the time, it feels so right tonight. Stars are watching, moon is shining bright. Let's stop pretending we don't understand what this feeling really means in our heads. I'm reading between the lines, seeing what your eyes are trying to hide. Between the lines, I see you and me, dancing in the silence, finally free. Love doesn't need to shout to be heard, it can whisper softly like a summer bird. Between the lines, baby, can't you see? You're already writing your heart on me, yeah. If tomorrow we wake up and nothing's changed, I'll still be here calling your name. But if you feel it too, in the way I do, let's stop reading and start living this true. No more reading between